Hi there, it's Ina here and welcome to my art room. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and please push the bell icon so you will receive notification of all my regular uploads. Today I want to create again one of my sturdy chipboard art journal pages, and again I will be working with bits and bobs. And this envelope was given to me by my friend Shimi, and she included some book pages, there is a napkin, there are several images taken from a magazine including some script, some words, there are different type of small papers. Let's see what else we have. There's a piece from wallpaper which has a nice embossed design. There are some little tags with writing on them. There's also a piece of craft paper. There are some stickers and some washi tape. And then she included this very pretty tag she made. It's packaged nicely, but let me give you a closer look. Thanks so much, Shimi. This will definitely be a keepsake. It has a lovely color. It has a great vintage image of this jester, a lot of nice detailing, some jewels, and yes, I won't include this in my journal page, but keep it aside. Now for the rest of the things, I will try to use as many as possible. I will not include any of my own materials except mediums, and all those I will write down in the caption. Here you can see that I added some white gesso to my art journal page, and now I'm just using a pencil to outline a road and a horizon. From here on, my process is going to be very simple, so I will let you listen to some music and I will talk to you in a wee bit. By now, just about everything is done, and for one of the final touches, I cut some words out of those two tags to spell the best dream yet. Now, adding the butterflies to the road was really an afterthought, but I felt the gray needed some brightening up, and they just were perfect for the job. Butterflies are the prettiest little creatures, but they're way overused as an image in art journaling, so I try to use them sparingly. Anyway, I want to mention here again that you can find all of my bits and bobs videos in a playlist right here on my channel. I actually have quite a few more envelopes waiting for me to be worked on. So if you are one of the people who sent me something, no worries, I will get around to it. I just like to mix up my projects a little bit so I don't have too many of these B&B challenges in a row. And by the way, if any of you would like to play along, let me know so in the comments. So after quite a bit more detailing to finish up this page, I am finally coming to the end. You know me, detailing is something I enjoy. I spend a lot of time on, but I think it makes the pages more complete. So here for a final look. This page definitely has some great texture. It has some dimension because the way the road curves, and it also has some movement because of the guy running. So I'm very happy with the way it came together. And here you can see that I really have very few things left. A few images, a little bit of paper, a little bit of washi tape, and that's pretty much it. So thank you so much, Shimi, for helping me create another one of these bits and bobs challenges. And thanks to you for joining me here today. I hope I get to see you really soon again. Until next time, bye bye for now.